Hello, my friend. Welcome to this mindful art session where we use breath and drawing as a way to slow down, reconnect with ourselves, and find calm in creative stillness. Let's arrive by taking a moment to find your comfortable seat. Place your journal or paper in front of you, your pen or pencil resting lightly in your hand. Close your eyes if that feels right for you. Take a slow inhale through your nose and a soft exhale through your mouth. Feel the steadiness of the ground beneath you, the quiet support of the chair. Imagine roots anchoring you gently, holding you steady. When you're ready, open your eyes and place your pen or pencil at the base of your page, as if you're planting a tree that will grow upward. Today we're drawing branches. Branches remind us of growth, slow, patient, and reaching outward toward possibility. Just like trees, our growth is not hurried. Each branch extends in its own time, finding its own space in the sky. As you draw, allow yourself to explore the gentle balance between reaching outward and staying rooted within. Begin by drawing a tree trunk rising upward from the base of your page. From the central line, let smaller lines branch outward. Notice how each branch begins and stretches outward, then divides again into finer lines. Let your hand follow its own rhythm. Inhale, and as you exhale, let your pen extend a branch a little further. Inhale, and on the exhale, allow another branch to grow in a new direction. Keep going. Let your branches wander, finding their own path. Some may twist or overlap. Some may stop suddenly, while others extend even wider. trust the natural movement of your hand. As you draw, consider, where in my life am I ready to grow? What gentle direction am I being called toward? Keep returning to your breath. With every exhale, allow your branches to reach outward. Slowly, gently, and without rush. When you feel ready, you might add tiny buds or leaves at the tips of your branches, small symbols of new beginnings. Lay down your pen and take a moment to notice your page. A trunk, branches, and new growth spreading outward. Your drawing is not about symmetry or perfection. It's a living map of growth, of exploration, of your readiness to reach beyond where you are. Rest your hands on your lap, or one hand over your heart, the other on your belly. Breathe in deeply, filling yourself with steadiness. Exhale gently, allowing space for growth. Silently or softly, repeat. I grow slowly. I reach gently. I am rooted as I rise. I grow slowly. I reach gently. And I'm rooted as I rise. Today, you allowed your hand to follow the wisdom of branches, rooted in support, reaching toward new directions. Anytime you feel uncertain or rushed, return to this practice. Let branches remind you, growth takes time, and every gentle reach is enough. Thank you for joining me in this practice today. Until next time.